Hey students, this is Vasudev Panda. Welcome to Master English. Welcome to the class of English. Plus two second year non-detailed study question and answer series. The last chapter stay English stay please. भिडियोटा स्टार्ट करने पूर्व तुमको गोटे जिन कहि तुम जब नुआ देखुच चैनल टाक सब्सक्राइब कर दियो आखिर अच्छी ऑल नोटिफिकेशन बटन ताको दबी दियो जहाँफल तुम सब लेटेस्ट वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन पाइज आउ जदि वीडियो भल लगुच लाइक करवा भूल नहीं पिले sure. So let us start the video. The text-based questions are of stay hungry and stay foolish for plus two second year. So the first question, what does Steve say about his mother? Steve Jobs says that his mother was a young, unwed college graduate. She wanted to leave her child for adoption. And but the willing couple, this couple were interested to take her baby as adopted. Must be graduate. Okay. And at last, a lawyer and a couple, they were interested to take Steve Jobs as their adopted son. But at the very moment when Steve Jobs pop up, they denied that they wanted a baby girl, and that's why he was being adopted by his current parents. Next, how did his foster parents adopt him? His कहले Steve Jobs को. Steve Jobs' mother was a college graduate, onward college student, wanted that her baby must be adopted by the parents who were graduated. And advertisements were being given, and a lawyer and his wife, they were interested to take the baby as their adopted son. But at the last moment, they were denied that they wanted a baby girl really. And by the way, the current parents of Steve Jobs, who were, not, just matriculate, not graduate, they came forward to adopt Steve Jobs. His mother, denied to sign the final adoption paper. But when the current parents of Steve Jobs, they just assured her that they are not graduate, but they will send her son to university, college. Finally, she relented. Question number three. What does he say about his studies at Reed College? What is his opinion? Steve Jobs कौन कहते थे study बाबत रे? And at the year of 17, he went to college, and the name of the college was Reed College, one of the expensive colleges in England, in America, sorry. And for the first 6 months, he get nothing. He found nothing related to his aim in life, what he want to become, and at last he dropped out from the college. And for the next 18 months, he joined the college. College to take calligraphy class as drop-in students. Why did he drop out from college after his admission? After his admission from Reed College, when he just went to college, he found nothing what they were teaching inside the college. That it had no connection with his aim or what he want to become. So at last he dropped out from the college and joined calligraphy classes in that college as a drop-in student for another 18 months. What difficulty did he face after he dropped out? Once he dropped out from the college, he has no dorm room, nothing to eat, all of the money being saved by his working class parents won away. So he was just collecting Coke bottles, and in return he was getting just 5 cents. He was walking near about 10 miles to get a good meals at the Hare Krishna temple. This is the problem he was facing after he was being dropped out from the college. Why did he decide to learn calligraphy? So at that time when he was being dropped out from Reed College, he has nothing to do, and all of the money being saved by his working class parents already won out. So he decided to do something, And by the way, he came to know that Reed College at that time giving the best calligraphy classes in the whole United States of America. So he joined again to fulfill his intention and curiosity, and to know that calligraphy classes. He learns here, sans serif, serif and sans serif typefaces. How did his knowledge of calligraphy help him? Jobs learn about serif and sans serif, in that Reed College calligraphy classes, and there he also learn how to space between fonts and different letter combination and different letter combination. Okay, and after 10 years, when he was just designing at the Macintosh computer, at that time he put the learning in the designing of Macintosh computer, and Windows copied the Mac, and now it is at the heart of every computer. What does he mean by connecting the dots? What does he mean by connecting the dots, Kailikon? Connecting the dots means exactly your present has, relation with the future. Your present has a relation with the future. You can't, connect the dots looking forward, but you have to connect the dots looking back. Yeah, when you in future, when you look backwards, whatever decision being taken by you, that has a relation with that past. The past has relation with the present, so that's why he was telling that this is exactly, that means whatever work you are doing now, it has relation with your future, and in future, that whatever doing, that is your past, so it has a relation. This is called you're connecting the dots. Okay, next, let us go. How did Jobs set up the Apple Inclusives? When Steve Jobs was 20 with his friend Steve Wozniak, they settled the Apple Inclusive in his parents' garage. They worked hard, and 10 years after 10 years, Apple had grown from just the two-person in a garage to 4,000 employees and a $2 billion company. And that company had already released that finest creation, the Macintosh computer. How did he lose his position in the Apple inclusives? କେମିତି ସେ ଚାକିରି ହରେଇଲେ? When Apple grown much faster, they decided, Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs decided to employ somebody who is highly educated and whom they thought can run the company, smoothly. And 1 year go again, smoothly. But after that year, and their aim was diverged, and Steve Jobs and that man, they fell out, they quarrel. And by the way, the board of directors sided that person, that CEO, and Steve Jobs just fired from his company. How did he feel about his dismissal? ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ତଡ଼ା ଖାଇଲେ ସେ କେମିତି ଫିଲ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ? He just felt disgusted, felt destroyed, and he was being distracted with the decision being taken by the board of directors. Even if he tried to apologize the board of directors, but it was in vain. And he once even if tried to left that valley, but because he is in love with what he was doing, that's why it just restrict him to take such type of decision, and he started again. How did he return to the Apple inclusives? Steve Jobs କେମିତି ସେ ଫେରିଲେ? Steve Jobs, after being fired from Apple company, because he was in love with his work, whatever he was doing, he started NEXT and Picture, two company, NEXT and Picture. And Picture was the company that created the first animated feature film of the world. And in consequence, Apple but NEXT. Apple but NEXT. And as he was the creator of NEXT, he returned to that company, Apple again. Okay. And what technology he had developed in NEXT now at the heart of renaissance of Apple. Next question, let us go. Okay, the unit 3, question number 1. How did the quotation on death affect jobs? How did the quotation on death affect jobs? When Jobs was 17 years old, he read a quotation: if you live each day as your last day, uh, when the actual, last day would come, you would never feel, what, letting down. You would never feel letting. This was the quotation. And every day he stand in front of the mirror and asked himself, whatever he is doing, should he do that if this was the last day of his life? And when he found the answer no, then he had to change himself. This is the way of life Steve Jobs was spending. How did consciousness of death inspire him? Death consciousness helped Steve Jobs take big decision in life because at the verge of death, when you are at the face of the death, at that time, no fear, no embarrassment, no pride, no ego, nothing will be there. And you will just listen to your heart. There is no reason not to listen to your heart. And you will take the decision. And the most important thing only be done by yourself. So death is a very clever, what, chapter that must be tackled by the people. What are the doctor's advice to him when he was stagnant with cancer? What are the doctor's advice? The doctor told when that there was a, cancer in his pancreas, even if Steve Jobs doesn't know what pancreas is, and by the doctor added that he had only 6 months, and within those 6 months he had to settle his family and their future. That means he told, go and button up your families and all the affairs. That means this is the doctor words, that get ready for death. Next question: how does Jobs view death? So Job has viewed death face to face, and for him, it was the most intellectual concept of the world, because in the face of death, no pride, no anger, no embarrassment, no failure, no success, nothing has value with it. And as you know, death death cleared the first last generation to make birth for the new generation, and it is a pure intellectual concept, and he has closely had seen it. Next, what is most important in face of death? No one has escaped death. Death is the most intellectual concept of the world. And what is most important? You will do the work only what is most important for you if you know that you are near the death. ତମେ ଯଦି ମରିବା ପାଖରେ ଅଛ ବୋଲେ କେବଳ ତମେ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ କାମ ହିଁ କରିବ, ଅଲଗା କାମ କରିବ ନାହିଁ. The other people, other opinion, whatever has no importance in your life, you will forget all those things. That's why death is the most important concept if you want to improve your life. As per Steve Jobs. What was Jobs' farewell message? Jobs' farewell message was stay hungry, stay foolish. What was his message? Jobs' farewell message was stay hungry, stay foolish. Uh, he took this quotation from Stuart Frad's issue, The Whole Earth Catalog. And this was a quotation from The Whole Earth Catalog by Stuart Stuart Frad's, that the then Google of 19th century, and it stand for knowledge has no end, and you mustn't settle. A people or anybody mustn't settle. They should go for searching all day. They should go for searching. They must never be settled. This is the meaning of stay hungry, stay foolish. And when you think that you're foolish, make yourself a fool and try to learn more. If you'll think you are foolish, that you'll learn every day. And if you think you will hungry, then you will work every day. So that's all from the question answer side of Stay Hungry and Stay Foolish. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Thank you very much.